big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Go your bag, told the.
What is good, YouTube? It's your boy 36J, and we back with another fire banger. So in today's video, I have a race. And so today I'll be racing a Subaru WRX. I know it's all-wheel drive. I don't know if it's boosted, and I'll also be racing a V6 Camaro as well. So these are two of the homies. They're good friends of mine. We used to run back in the day. I had ran the Subaru way back when I ran the Velociter. Y'all can check that video out. He beat me. But this is before my trans suit, all of that. But we're going to see. I don't know. I think the Subaru might get me this time, but we'll see how I end up hanging with the Camaro. I do not know the Camaro's mods, but I think it'd be a fair race. Probably get a few runs in, but let's see how it goes. As y'all see, I'm gutting out the car. So I'll pick up the camera once I get over to the meetup spot. All right, got the whole car gutted out. The whole car ready to go. I don't know, I think it should be a pretty fire run. But see, got the seats right there, got all that. Let's get these keys, and y'all know, it's out that video, out that start. Let's go. All right, y'all, so we finally got up to the meetup spot. This is the Subi that I'll be running, and that's the Camaro. So this is the owner of the Subi right here, so tell him what's done to it. What's going on with it? What's going on with it?
It's just a 2.5 liter turbo. Got a 1-inch up pipe. Got the GESI 3-inch Cobb high flow catted down pipe. 3-inch Cobb exhaust all the way back. Cold air intake. I got a upgraded turbo inlet valve.
What's that turbo?
It's just a stock turbo.
Stock turbo? Hell yeah. I don't know, man. Them boosted cars, I got a thing for boosted cars, man. I keep getting handled, but we gonna see.
Hey, man.
Like, I don't know. Every booster car I've ran, it's either been all-wheel drive or it's been twin turbo.
Yeah.
Haven't had no luck yet, but we gonna see what's gonna happen.
And then coilovers, wheels, tires, and then carbon fiber hood, trunk.
Hell yeah. You gonna pop the hood so we can see?
Yeah.
Pop the hood. So pretty much everything you can get for a Subaru.
Not even close.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a WRX or SCI?
WRX.
6-speed manual?
5.
5-speed. Okay. That's gonna be fire. That's gonna be fire, man.
As he says, slow as hell.
We gonna see. We gonna see. All right, this is him with the Camaro. So let's see what's going on with it. What's done to the Camaro?
That's the fastest car, bro.
That shit straight off the lot.
Fresh out the lot?
Yes, sir.
What's done to the Camaro?
I just bought it last week.
Hell yeah.
I ain't got shit, bro.
So what is it, a RS? What is it?
Alright, no. You fucked me up. LT.
LT. Hell yeah. It's a good little Camaro, good little V6 Camaro. But yeah.
Yeah, I'm missing 2 cylinders.
Missing 2 cylinders?
Yeah, I'm awesome.
But it should be a good run. I don't know. That Subi, I don't know. Them boosted things, they've been getting me. So hopefully the 6-body can handle with it. I see I got the car fully gutted, so y'all can go look.
Yeah, I seen that.
Yeah, got the whole car gutted out. Gotta give me some fighting. Gotta give me some fighting chance.
You put this hood back on, man. I just watched your video. You had it.
Oh yeah. I put on earlier today. Gutted. You see, just a little 6-body,
Oh, you got
little
the
intake.
supercharger.
Oh yeah, you see that? That's
Supercharger, bro.
right there.
You're gonna win.
Yeah. Yes, hell yeah. All right, y'all, so we about to head over to the spot, get some runs in. I know the Subi definitely gonna want to dig. I'm probably gonna spin for my life, but he probably gonna get that one. So after this, it's gonna be GoPro clips of the races. Y'all already know, you gotta turn that traction and stability off. You over there revving that thing. Traction sport, stability off. So pick up the camera once we get over to Mexico. right, YouTube. So those are the races. I got the Camaro and I lost to the Subi. And unfortunately, my GoPro broke, y'all. My GoPro fucking shattered. So when I raced the Subaru from a dig, I heard something fall, then a crunch, and then I go back and my GoPro is completely shattered. But thank God I have a warranty on it, so I should be getting a new one tomorrow. But that happens, not really tripping. But I'm gonna get a video of the Subaru doing a launch. All right, y'all. So about to have the Subaru do a little test pass. He got a new tune, so let's see how this goes. Like a little baby Japanese track hawk. That motherfucker moving. I see he left a little tire marks out here. Nah, that was crazy. I ain't gonna cap. That motherfucker sound good. Whoosh, whoosh. That motherfucker sound fire. All right, y'all. So that'll be it for today's video. Tell the people where they can find you at.
Right here on the window.
Right here. Let me see. So here go his Instagram. Make sure you go follow him. Give him a show love to his page and his bill. So where they can find you at, my boy?
Auto Skill Center.
Auto Skill Center. Hell yeah,
hey,
bro.
make sure you like and subscribe.
Hey, y'all heard it, man. Like and subscribe and watch the ads, bro. Watch the ads. RP to GoPro. That's definitely going to be in the video, though. RP to GoPro. I'm sick as hell and didn't get the fucking dig, but I got the clip from him of our dig race, but, bro, it was good. But I appreciate y'all boys for coming out, man. Appreciate y'all for showing love. Appreciate you for showing love, my boy. Oh, shit. All right, y'all. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope I'm able to get the GoPro footage off of there. I'm pretty sure I can, but the GoPro was just total. Let me show y'all. Like, the GoPro is done. Like, so when I was doing the dig race with the Subaru, I forgot to record, but he got me pretty good. He got me like by a lot. And when we got to the end of the race, I heard something fall. Then I heard like a crunch. And I look back and he yells, hey, your GoPro's on the ground. And I look up and there she is. But thank God I have a warranty on this thing, so I can go pick up a new one. Probably the next video, we'll go pick up a new GoPro. But the GoPro is totaled, y'all. But those are some honestly great runs. I lost to the Subi both times, but I beat the Camaro both times. So those are all good runs. I had a lot of fun today. Those are the homies. So big shout out to them. Make sure y'all go follow their Instagrams and all that. And that'll be it for today's video, man. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on the road to 2,000 subscribers. Make sure y'all leave in the comments what y'all want for the giveaway and watch those ads. It's your boy 36J and I'm out. Bow.